Now I have a real nice Goldwing and I like to take some nice road trips on it. My problem is on some of those road trips I get a little lost like anybody does, so I have a GPS mount on there. I'll either hold my Garmin or my cell phone. Both have GPS on there. Trouble is, like all electrical devices, they run out of juice after a while. So I have hardwired a cable to the 12-volt outlet of the bike so I can have the GPS and cell phone powered at all times. Trouble is, when the GPS or cell phone is not on, then you have a electrical plug. Sorry, I need both hands to do this. I have my port that's exposed to the elements. Now I went online and there is nothing that lists a micro USB port cap for this type of stuff. So I've created a cover cap, and it's attached to a little bungee cord on there, and once it's in there it is basically sealed and waterproof and element resistance, and just takes a little you just slide that on in as you would maybe any other kind of plug, and now I have a protected plug that's safe from the elements and it won't corrode that outlet. Now, as you may have noticed on this particular GPS model, there's a 90-degree turn on this Garmin plug. Now, prior to this plug, I had another one which was a straight-in plug. There was not that 90-degree turn that you have on this one. Okay, so for the first one that I had used before, create a little loop zip tie that just holds on to the cord itself, and the plug was like that, and it slid directly on to the unit very easily, just straight on over the cap and over the head of the plug. Let me see if I can show you real quick. Got to put the phone down again. So basically that's the plug and the cap together. Now it's a little weathered since it's several years old. This bike is a 2007, to kind of give you an idea how well that held up. Just a very simple idea, but something that's not available in any Radio Shack or any device store that I've found yet, but yet has been really good at saving my my outlet plugs. Thank you.